Yes, the fundamental source of energy for all biological systems is sun. The fundamental source of energy for all biological systems is sun. Green plants, over a period of several millions of years, green plants, over a period of several millions of years, green plants evolved and have mastered the art of converting solar energy into chemical energy involving complex reactions and pass it ఏది కెమికల్ ఎనర్జీ ఇట్ అంటే కెమికల్ ఎనర్జీ pass the chemical energy on to the other higher living organisms to keep life going. Life defies simple definition, although one can easily perceive the differences between inanimate matter, wind, sea, fire, etc., and living organisms. Cellular organization, orderly complexity, ordered complexity, ability to reproduce themselves, show growing utilization, and transfer of energy, maintaining constancy in the internal environment in spite of variation in the surrounding environment. Irritability shows sensitivity to stimuli, and above all exhibiting the ability. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఇది గ్రోత్ తర్వాత వచ్చేసి ఇరిటబిలిటీ. Above all exhibiting the ability to adapt and evolve, change from simple structure to complex, are some of the traits of life and living organisms. Diversity in living organisms comes from their ability to change. The process of evolution is continuous and never. The process of evolution, yes, చూడండి ఇక్కడ evolve are some of the traits of life and living organisms. Change from simple structure to complex. Diversity in living organisms comes from their ability to change. The process of evolution is continuous. And never forms evolve continuously. సో దీన్ని ఏమంటారంటే డీసెంట్ విత్ మోడిఫికేషన్ అంటారు. While some perish in the struggle for existence. As investigated by Charles Darwin. Evolution is the fundamental organizing principle. Of life, and it answers many questions about life and its complexity. A scientific explanation for unity and diversity. The study and the discovery of the molecular structure. Of DNA by Watson and Crick, 1953, was the major event of the 12th century in the study of biology, and it reveals how DNA can store information. It reveals how DNA can store information and could serve as the chemical basis of the inheritance. Chemical could serve as the chemical basis of the inheritance. Automatic DNA sequence mission. Automatic DNA sequencing mission and the automatic DNA sequencing mission and the enormous computing powering of the present day computers as a part of the human genomic project. As a part of the human genomic project had laid inroads to understanding genetic basis of diseases, gene therapy, gene modification, etc. To understand life better and to improve the quality of life in particular. Comparative studies of DNA, RNA brought into the necessity of classifying living organisms into 3 domains, namely bacteria, next archaea and eukarya. The 5 kingdom classification of Whittaker followed until a few decades ago. అంటే ఏంది, ఫస్ట్ దీన్ని ఉపయోగించేవాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడు, పాతకాలం. సో దీన్ని ఎవరు రీప్లేస్ చేశారంటే 6 కింగ్డమ్ రీప్లేస్ చేసింది, నేమ్లీ బ్యాక్టీరియా, ఆర్కియా, ప్రొటిస్టా, ఫంగై, ప్లాంటే. మెటాఫైటా, విరిడి ప్లాంటే అండ్ ఎనిమేలియా, దీన్ని ఏమంటారంటే మెటాజోవా అంటారు. 5 కింగ్డమ్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్ను ఇంతకుముందు కాలం ఉపయోగించే వాళ్ళు దాన్ని రిప్లేస్ చేసి మనకు 6 కింగ్డమ్ని ఇప్పుడు పాటించినారు. ఒకటి బ్యాక్టీరియా, ఆర్కియా, ప్రొటిస్టా, ఫంగై, ప్లాంటే. సో ఇది మెటాఫైటా ఆర్ విరిడి ప్లాంటే అండ్ ఎనిమేలియా మెటాజోవా. The increase in complexity is right from the sample. Cellular level to the organism level, followed by population, community and ecosystem levels in the biosphere. All the habitable zones of life on the earth. Continuity of life is based on heritable genetic information in the DNA and in some cases RNA. In the following subunits of this unit, you will get an insight into the life, description of some of the basic traits of life, its complexity of organization, including nomenclature and classification from a taxonomical angle.